Income LiveGood for affiliates. There is a fast way to build income and a slow way to build income. The slow way is to simply sit back and wait for spillover. Depending on how fast the people above you in the matrix are building, it might take a few weeks to see any spillover, possibly a few months. And that's okay. Even one person who gets placed below you in the matrix who goes to work could be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income for years and years to come. So be patient. Or, if you want to build the fast way, and make a lot more money by building your matrix faster and capitalizing on huge matching bonuses, enroll a few people. Just enrolling 2 people literally triples your income potential, gets you to the bronze rank, and gives you a huge head start to maximizing the compensation plan. Either way works. Disclaimer: the LiveGood referral program offers an opportunity to earn passive income. However, the actual earnings may vary and are contingent upon individual efforts and the number of successful referrals. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice.